please any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sounding like all day and night Audiomatic Express. It can move like a cow. It can go moo, moody moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moody moo.
Can you sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can. How about you? Can you go boopity-boo?
Boopity-boo.
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze on the flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, zoom. Is there such a thing as an upside-down sound? Listen to this. It goes swim, swim, swim. Are you feeling keen to hear a star on the scene? Clunk, clunkety, clunk, clunk, bump, bumpity, bump, bump, jerky, jerk, jerk, rubbity, rub, jerk. The trolley train goes tacky when sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep?
Hockey hog, it's a beep.
When a trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast. With a swish, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, kablast.
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woo.
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an earful of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, bong, chug, bang, bong, chug.
And a sneech farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo.